Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Got a new product for you. It's the dual band Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.0 projector with its tripod and carrying case bag by YABER. This enhanced mini portable projector gives you clear and crisp video images that can be used for home or outdoor viewing. This Wi-Fi projector allows you to project images from 45 inches to 250 inches, depending on the distance you are away. This is a great projector. This mini projector also comes with a remote. Plus, you also get 100,000 hours of lamp life with this projector. That's incredible. This projector is equipped with the HDMI, USB, VGA, AV, audio, and TF card. So if you want to view things right off your portable memory card, you can do that. Also, it's compatible with the TV box, the Fire Stick, Chromecast, a PC, a laptop, tablet, and of course, your smartphone. You can pick up this really nice mini portable projector on Amazon for $139.99, and they have a coupon on there where you can save an extra $20, so that puts it at $119. Great price for this projector, and I'll leave that quick link down below for easy access. So let's take a look at the open boxing and see what comes inside. All right, let's open it up, see what we have in there. You can see it has its own carrying case, has a nice material on it, and a heavy-duty zipper around there, so that's a plus. And looking at the top, it has a handle to carry on, and the back, same, it's just plain. All right, we open it up and see there's a bunch of packages here. And the first thing we grab is the instruction manual. Shows you everything that's inside and how to operate and get you up and running. Very simple. And next packet we open up comes with its own little Torx screwdriver. Comes with its own long cotton tip cleaning brushes for your lens. A quick little do's and don't manual for your projector. And it also comes with a tripod. This tripod's plastic, but it does have a nice wide spread to it and allows you to mount it underneath the projector so you can use it on a tabletop or any kind of bench. What I really like comes with its own remote, and it's very simple to operate. Let's check, see if it has batteries. Nope, no batteries, so you have to put some in it. So the kit comes with HDMI cables, comes with a power cord, also an RCA connector, and removing the projector from the bag. As you can see here, it's all white molded plastic all the way around. And looking at the side of the projector, starting from left, working our way to the right, we have the exhaust vent, 2 USB media inputs. On top, we have the TF card input. Next to that, we have the HDMI input, the audio input and output jacks, and last, the VGA input. And taking a look at the front of the projector, we'll take the lens cap off the lens. And some of the lens and projector specifications are, for the V5 Mini Projector, the resolution is 1280 by 720p, and the recommended projector distance is 5.9 to 8.5 feet. The display technology is LCD, and the minimum projector distance on that is 4.7 feet. The light source is LED. The display colors is 16.7 million full colors, and the voltage is 120. And on the other side of the projector, you have your power cord input. Flipping the projector over to the back, you can see on the right we have our exhaust fan, and on the left side where the circle dot is, that's your IR sensor for your remote control. You have it on the back and in the front. All right, looking at the bottom side of the projector, you have multiple ways of mounting this projector. You can mount it on a desk, and you can see here you have your 4 bumper pads there, along with your tilt adjust bumper, and that allows you to adjust up and down on a desk. You also have 4 10mm holes that you can run bolts in to hang it from the ceiling. There's a 1/4 20 hole here that you can use for your tripod. which makes mounting it on a desk or a flat surface so easy to do, and you can adjust it in any direction you want. Looks pretty nice too when you get it all put together. Alright, looking at the top of the projector, I'd like to talk about the control panel there, and you can see the power key button, which is in the center. This is a button that can lead to the projector to working on or in the standby mode. Next is your direction button, and you can use this to adjust with the parameters. The same function you use with the remote. The OK key, which confirms your operation. Menu key, which opens or closes the menu. The source key. This is where you choose the source of PC, RGB, HDMI, USB, and AV. And you have your return key, which basically allows you to go backwards in your menu. Looking at the top of the projector, the two dials there, the first one is the keystone ring. This allows you to adjust the rectangular shape of the image on the screen. And the larger ring is the focus ring, and you can adjust the focus ring by slightly turning it left or right to get a clear image. All right, I'm going to be showing you some examples here of projector and how it actually shows up on my temporary screen on my wall, but you can see here I got a game going on here. Look at the clarity and no lag. Just check it out. Now below is my tablet, and up on the wall, up high, is the wall image. And here you can see how you can go through into your files and view anything you want. I'm opening up the file where I'm working on a project. Actually, this project, you can see my video right there. I want to show you here how I have this all set up. So I have my projector on top. I have my HDMI cable running down below to my tablet. And then I have the Bluetooth speaker linked up with my projector to give me a super quality sound. As you see here, I can make the image size as large or as small as I want on the wall with just a turn of the knob. It's incredible. You can play all kinds of media on this projector. Here I'm showing you a little bit of a news clip on here, which I'm playing off my tablet, of course. Here's an example of a TikTok video. So, like I said, you can play just about anything you want on this projector. Good quality, excellent sound off the Bluetooth speaker. It's amazing. For this price, you can't beat it. And here's the last example I'll give you. It's a YouTube video, and you can see how well it works on this projector. There's no lag at all. It's really incredible. So that's my review on the Mini V5 projector. And you can see it worked excellent. Good quality picture too. The kids would have fun with this outside. You set up a big screen. But I hope this video was helpful and help you make an educated decision to purchase this product or any of the products on my channel. So stay tuned. I have plenty more products coming at you. So this is Captain Mark saying again, thank you for watching my video.